Hey, what's up guys, with Android HD here, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to flash latest update of GoldenEye ROM version 53 based on OD7 firmware, latest firmware for LOLLiPOP firmware from Samsung. First of all, I do always recommend making an Android backup before proceeding to the flashing part. How do you do that? Go into backup and restore, and then backup either to SD card or SD card 1. It helps you in order to come back to your current configuration in case if something goes wrong with the ROM you're gonna be flashing in the following moments. And after you've done an Android backup, it is highly recommended, it's a must actually, to make a wipe for this variant, even if you're coming from other LOLLiPOP ROM or even a GoldenEye version, previous version, outdated version. It is recommended to make a full wipe because many things have changed and you don't want to mess with the new settings. You don't want to mess the new settings with the old ones, so it is recommended to make a full wipe. How do you do that? You go into wipe and format options, let me focus, and then click to install a new ROM. Meanwhile, I'm going to be telling you some features of this beautiful ROM. One thing that I found very interesting is that it benefits of some speed tweaks, SQLite tweaks, and of course what caught my eye was that every 7 days the ROM auto cleans itself. I mean, it automatically zip align all the apps, all the data. It clears some unnecessary cache, some unnecessary files stocked on your internal SD card or on your root folder, and this is very interesting because you know, by time passing, ROMs used to get over bloated with cache and so on. So this is a very important feature of this ROM, making itself cleaned after a while, 7 or less days. Okay, we've done the wiping part. Now back until you see this screen, and then go into install zip. Then choose zip from SD card 1. This is the external SD card where I have put this zip file. Then go and choose this. As far as I remember from the previous versions, it benefits of aroma installer, and we'll see. Yes, starting aroma installer. You're about to install GoldenEye for Galaxy S4 version 53. Yeah, updated doesn't matter because that hasn't been updated. Update. Custom installation. Select your device. So mine is international variant. GoldenEye Slim. I always like minimalistic things. S4 recent app, S5 recent app. I'll go for S4 because I got used to it. Enable S5 weather. Yes, it looks cool. Disable camera sound. Disable S-Find. Disable S-Find and center your clock. Stock browser or Chrome browser. I would go for stock one. Disable boot sound. And we're gonna go with Hulk kernel this time. I heard that it's a good one. We're gonna test it also. So GoldenEye along with Hulk kernel installing now. Installation will begin now. Writing data, writing I9505 files, and installing ROM. So I'm gonna get back to you guys after I reboot and configure my Galaxy S4. Be patient, the first booting process will take up to 15 minutes or even more than that, up to 20 minutes, believe me. So get yourself a coffee or get yourself something to eat because it's gonna take a while. And I'm gonna get back to you guys after I configure my device with running, of course, GoldenEye version 53. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back here. GoldenEye version 53. Just about to show you latest version of GoldenEye ROM. OD7 version 53, developer iBastid. Android version 5.0.1, latest baseband. This is how it looks at first sight. It'll tell you I have downloaded kernel editor to tweak some kernel settings. I do recommend you to make so. Hulk kernel, as far as I can see, it's a fast kernel, impressive fast, pretty fast. Let's test how fast it is. Let's open some apps. Phone. Yes, File Explorer, calculator, clock, Play Store, settings, voice recorder, and let's see if there is any lag in recent app panel. Yes, it is, kind of, but I can tell that it has been dimmed out a little bit. It's not such a big deal right now. It's kind of a more smoothie lag. Okay, let's browse some apps. We have Add Away, which helps us to block all the ads without a miss. Calculator, I have showed you a couple of moments ago. Camera, let's take a picture. Okay. The fuck? New gallery? Yeah. Some nice girl right there. Nice poster. Clock. Stopwatch and other cool things. Desk clock. Really nice. Really, really nice. Okay. Apart from that, here's File Explorer, usual Samsung applications, messages, music player, my files, phone application. Let's see how fast it dials a number. We call 515 and call. Pretty fast. But I gotta tell you, it feels and behaves really smooth. I think it's a step forward. Credit info. Yeah. Pops up very smooth. Settings, let's dive into settings. Wi-Fi is working, Bluetooth is working, no problems with this. There was a bug on, in terms of screen lock purposes. When you were about to set the pin, after reboot it wouldn't ask for the pin. It has been fixed, so there aren't any problems related to that in this version. Battery, can't test it enough because I won't use this ROM for more than I'm just recording the video, just because I'm not really prepared to move to LOLLiPOP. But apart from this, I'll try and see if there is any improvement while using other applications like other launcher, for example Nova Launcher. Let's see how fast it installs an application. So Nova Launcher is installing. successfully installed. Okay, so let's see Nova Launcher. Okay, more minimalistic. Looks pretty fast. I mean, you can see from the video that is blazing fast by using Nova. What else should we test? Let's see, EX dialer or not, because I'm really satisfied with the dialer. We'll use Nova Launcher as a default launcher. What else? Let me think. We should see how music application looks like, and of course we're gonna listen to some music Android porn. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna listen to, for example, we're gonna see. Okay, I have a lot of music here. Android porn. The music quality on the speaker is not that impressive, but we can fix that. This is how the music widget looks on the lock screen. Of course, on the notification bar. Notification bar looks pretty smooth, if you ask me. Clear button, of course. Let's talk about the YouTube lag, and let's see. New version is available. Let's install it now. Update. Now let's see if there is any YouTube lag. Really fast download speed compared to the ASP ROMs. Some would take hell of a lot of time while doing apps. So YouTube, let's see if there is any video lag. There was also a bug related to this. Open. Come on. Skip. And let me search something. Let me search, for example, one of my videos. Why not? Upload. And I'm gonna be showing you this AKP variant. So it's 720p, 60 frames per second. Okay, let me set up the quality to 740p. Okay, let me stream it. Let me see. Background is changed. Whoa. I configure my phone, so switching. My flash is wrong. It gives you the ultimate control on. Doesn't seem that there is any kind of lag in the video during the video, so the YouTube lag has been fixed also in this ROM. Is this a bug-free ROM? That's the great question I'm gonna be asking myself. Well, let's test the multi-GPI support. This is a very good test, because as far as you know, latest Samsung builds don't support multi-GPI, which is very bad. So I'll set my GPI to 360. Apply it. It's gonna ask me for root. Yes, I'm gonna say grant. And then I will reboot, fully reboot, and show you how fast it boots up. So rebooting with Hulk kernel. So it's now pouring off. Galaxy S for default logo, i9505. GoldenEye boot animation is the default Galaxy S boot animation. I don't know if it's either S5 or S6. Boot it up fast enough. I can complain about it. Can't really complain. Whoa, new DPI as you may see. Let me enter the pin. Okay. Again, there is a slightly graphical bug. The clock is bigger than the other icons. Not such a big deal breaker for me, but again we have a problem with Wi-Fi icons and Bluetooth. They won't change to the stock ones. The phone application looks bad again, I think, yeah. So multi-DPI support isn't recommended for Samsung releases. Yeah. So that was it for today, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, please thumbs up and subscribe right down to my channel. I'll put a link in the description with the XDA thread you need to follow in order to download this ROM. Thanks for watching, guys. Wicked Android is out. Bye bye.